Hello everyone. Welcome to Smart Data Learners, our YouTube channel for data analysis. So, in today's tutorial, we will quickly cover our SQL data analysis, and in that we will discuss the how to group by, how to use the group by clause, and aggregate the data. So let's start. So this is the query we will run. So in this query, we will show the product count by subcategory, right? How many products in each subcategory? So let's start. Here we'll write the query. Select product production dot product dot name, count the production dot product dot name as product count, comma production dot product subcategory dot product dot name as subcategory, from the product production dot product production dot product inner join the product production dot product subcategory on production dot subcategory is equal to production dot product subcategory dot product subcategory ID group by production dot product subcategory dot name order by production dot product subcategory name sending. Okay, so let me read that again. So we wrote the query. Uh, we are actually selecting. This is our table, and this is our database AdventureWorks 2019, and we are selecting the count of product name. So we will count the product name as product count, and then we will also select the production dot. These are the tables production dot product subcategory. So this is our production tables. This is our production dot product subcategory, and this is our production dot product table. So we'll count the products by production dot product subcategory as product subcategory name from production dot product, and then we join these two tables because we are selecting data from two tables because production name is in the production product table and the product subcategory name is on the production dot product subcategory. So we join these two tables together, and then we select the we join production dot product inner join production dot product subcategory on the common keys like production dot product subcategory ID is equal to production dot product subcategory ID, and then we use the group by. So we count the product name and then group by the product subcategory name and order by the product name ascending. So here we have these names. When we ran this query, so that's how we selected these uh, product count by the product subcategory. So for example, in the product subcategory, Bip Shorts has three products, same as these products as this subcategory has one product, some has three products. So we can also order these. Let's try order these. Yeah, these that's how we will select and group the data. So we count the product names by product subcategory. So that was our video for covering these two topics: group by and order by clause, and then aggregation function of count. So that's it for today, and I hope this video uh, will be useful for our viewers. So if you like this video, please join our channel and like and share our video. Thank you. Have a great day.